What was that ending?
I want to know कि क्या होने वाला है.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is the first reading vlog of 2025 and I'll be reading new releases of the year because I'll tell you what happened. So last year I was very excited for Goodreads Reading Awards. I don't remember the exact name of the awards basically. So I was very excited and I thought like let me go and vote for my favorite books, and then I realized that I haven't really read any books. Like I read only 3 or 4 books, out of which I only liked two. So I only voted for two categories, and ऐसा नहीं था कि बाकी के नहीं थे. Like I wasn't really interested in those books or anything. I had marked them as to be read. Like I wanted to read them, but I never did. So this year I really want to read the books. Like साल के books मुझे इसी साल पढ़ने हैं and can vote for them in this year's Goodreads challenge. So let me tell you about my first pick of this reading vlog, and it is Beautiful Ugly by Alice Feeney. This is the book which I wanted to read. I have read Good Bad Girl and I really enjoyed it. First of all, let me tell you that I have already finished this book. Let's be real, because I didn't get time to film this intro, but I have vlogged my thoughts while reading the book, so I will roll those clips after this first part. Anyways, let me tell you about this book. It's a thriller because she writes mystery thrillers. This is about an author and his wife goes missing and he is miserable, and then his agent suggests him to go to an island and write his new book because he couldn't write a book. He decides to go there to have a fresh start, and it's been a year, and he finds his wife there, like on that island. It's a woman who looks like his wife, so that's what it is. And we see what happens, what is going on that island. First of all, the island is beautiful, but at the same time it's very creepy and eerie. And then there are all these characters and we meet them and we see what is happening. There are some loose puzzle pieces here and there, and we just need to like connect them all, like connect the dots. So that's what we see. Now I'm going to roll the clips of my thoughts and whatever I have vlogged. This time I haven't really vlogged a lot, like b-roll itna nahi hai. I literally read whenever I got time. Like agar I have some like 10 minutes after lunch before I resume my work, so I'll read it then. So camera setup करने में ही 10 minutes चले जाते. So it's like I tried to read it whenever was possible, but I read the book. Let me roll the clip. I thought I'll give you a quick update of this book. So I'm currently 116 pages in, and what I think is there's something going on, and I have some of my theories. The book is going good. I thought initially that maybe it's like a summer book, like summer thriller, because it's set on an island, but it's not. This is the off season, and the island is very creepy, and there are no birds. Those bird choppings are not there, so it is very eerie and creepy. And what I love about this author, sorry about the construction noise. What I love about this author is that her writing is beautiful. There are so many good quotes this time, but I mean, I read Good Bad Girl and I loved the quotes and I didn't really annotate them that time. So I was like, करना चाहिए था, starting में start करना चाहिए था, but I didn't do that. This time I did. So there are some quotes here and there. I mean, there are a lot of quotes. ऐसा continuously तो नहीं होगा ना, obviously, but I mean, I can't really find any. Wait. So I annotated it like this. Not really annotated, but I have highlighted the quotes. So that's what I have done. I'm enjoying it so far, and I want to know कि क्या होगा. I have my theories, but I don't know कि वो होगा या नहीं होगा. But the writing is so good that you don't feel like picking up your phone, which is a good thing. Like कोई भी social media scroll करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, so that means the book is good. I'm liking it so far and I'll keep you updated. I think मैं ये आज बैठ के जितना होगा ख़त्म करूँगी. We'll see. I'll give you an update when I have one. We'll see if there are any plot twists. Of course होंगे ही ना, because mystery thriller है तो that's expected. But क्या है and if I guessed correctly or not, so we'll see. So I read a few more pages. Like I am on page 204 right now, and he has
met his missing wife, or the person who looks like his missing wife, and that's not a spoiler, it's on the blog. So now I'm very like intrigued to see what is happening, what is going on, if that person, that female, is really his wife. And I am excited and I want to know, but I have some work to do. So I'm gonna do that because मेरे पास और कोई option नहीं है. Like I have to do that. But उसके बाद भी I can't read because I have to edit a video, YouTube का video. So we'll see when I'll get time to read this book and continue it. But I am very intrigued. Like last 100 pages बचे हैं and I don't want to stop. So we can see all the puzzle pieces. So it's, I don't know if she can manage like a really out of the box mind blowing plot twist. So we'll see how it goes and I'll let you know.
So now that you have seen some of my thoughts, let me like wrap this book up. It was insane, and I sorry if I see thoda side mein because my battery is low. Should have charged it, should have checked it, but it's okay. This was an insane wild ride. Like first of all, starting में ऐसा लगा कि I don't think कि I would get a plot twist. Like I wouldn't get surprised by the plot twist. That's what I was thinking. Like कि क्या different ये author कर सकती है with this storyline and with all the pieces and information she has provided in this. But she proved me wrong. Actually, she actually surprised me because I didn't see it coming. Like I didn't see anything coming. I should have. I should have, but I didn't see it coming. And then everything started clicking, and the ending was insane. I literally talked to two of my friends on Instagram, like Bookstagram, and we all were like, what was that ending? Like, what was that ending? So that's what we were like discussing, because it's not an open ending, but it will make you think about the book. Like it will make you like go through the entire story and think about what exactly happened, whatever we read was right or wrong, were we in a dream, like what was happening exactly in this book. I think I gave it 4.75 even in my journal, but as the time has passed, like it's been a few days since I finished this book, and I think it deserves a 5 star because I haven't stopped thinking about this book, and I'm very glad that I read this because I know everybody is going to love it, and I'm like glad that I started the year with a really one of, like, it's not really first book, but it was a really good 2025 release. Then 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 I started another book. Wait, so this is the second book which I have picked, and it's Witchcraft for Wayward Girls. So this is the second book which I have picked, and it's Witchcraft for Wayward Girls. पहले मैंने फंबल किया, सेकंड टाइम मैंने बुक नहीं दिखाया, ग्रेट. बट दिस इज द बुक. This book is set in 1970, and there's a home for the girls, unwed mothers is what the word term is. We see how they get treated in that home. Like they have to live alone and away from their family. Nobody is talking to them because they are unwed mothers. They are all pregnant basically. And we see Fawn. That is our main character, and we see her journey, and we see her entire process of going to that home and what happens, how she settles in, if she makes, like, of course she meets people there, and we see the entire house. I think the writing speed is perfect of this book. Like the storyline speed is perfect of this book. Like it's just right. It's not boring, but at the same time it's not very thrilling. It's like the perfect pace. And iska bhi I have some vlogs and updates, so I'm gonna roll them right now. It's been a few days since I last updated. I know I'm still in the same t-shirt or top, but it's because I wear the same 3 outfits घर पे, and I alternate them, wash them daily. So that's what it is. And I thought I'll give you an update. So I am now on 254 page of this book, and it's going good. I want to see how it goes, and the way how women are treated and the witchy magical stuff is intertwined in this book is like a perfect combination of those two things. And how witches get burned, but it's more of like women get burned, like that kind of a commentary is there. There are some magical things going on, but the way they go on, like the way it is there, it's not that creepy as of now. No horror elements are there, like it's witchy, it's dark magic, but it's not horror. I'll let you know कि क्या होता है इस पे. सारे हॉर्न साथ में बजते हैं जब जब मैं इस शूट करती हूँ, like. So I'm gonna continue this book, and there are some illustrations that I'll show you. Like there's a book which is a witch's handbook kind of a thing. So there are those pages in between here and there. So जहाँ पे like वो book में क्या page पे है, that's shown here. So I like that. Like I like all these like tiny details. Also there are these pages जहाँ पे weeks are mentioned, and then the baby's stage is also mentioned. So I like that. I'm gonna continue this and will let you know जब भी मुझे time मिलेगा. So I'll let you know then. Okay. I was about to see आगे का page and कुछ spoiler दे देती मैं खुद को किया ऐसा कुछ. So yes, I'll see you soon. So I haven't read a lot after my last update because it's the same day. And I have read like another chapter, but something happened, and then I was like, oh my god, I didn't see it coming, or rather I should have. Again, actually it was expected, but the way we got to know about it is very different. Anyways, I mean, if you have read this book, you know what I'm talking about. But अगर last update और ये update को सोचा जाए साथ में तो this book is slowly getting creepier. And first 100 pages तक तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Like we were just seeing them in that home, like all the girls and Fern and her roommates and everything, and how the elders were treating them. But now slowly, like after 100-200 pages, it was like okay, witchcraft, ठीक है. Now it's getting darker and darker by page, and I am invested in this story. The book is heavy, but I'm liking it so far. I'm completely invested, and I am going to continue reading this book. Last है ये वाला अभी इस कपड़ों में last update है. अब now I'm going to go and read the book, and hopefully you'll see me in a different set of clothes और यही नहीं होगा बार बार. But yeah, I'm gonna go read now. I'm currently reading No Place Left to Hide, and I'm 30% in, and the book is about this girl who is perfect, and she is like known to be like perfect girl in her high school, and she is planning to go to Yale, and something happened in September, and I don't know, I think it's the end of the year, academic year, and something happened back in September. So there are dual timelines, so we are seeing what happened in September, and now we are seeing what is going on right now. So something happened and somebody is blackmailing her, so, and she is trying to maintain her perfect girl image. She is at a party like in the current timeline, and when she is coming back from that party, somebody is tailgating her. Something is going to happen because that person wants her to reveal the secret, like क्या हुआ था पहले. These kind of books give me chills because they are at a place where they are on a highway, so there's no service. Then she is alone, like she has her best friend with her, but they don't have anything like fighting wala kuch bhi, and it's very serious and very creepy. Like I read 5 Survive and it was very creepy again, just because the situation and the scenario. So now I'm at the edge of my seat because now I want to know कि क्या होगा, because it has started, like the somebody is following her wala track has started, like just started. I'm at 32%. So I read till here during my lunch break. So now I have to wait for my work day to end so that I can read it. And this is going to kill me, like the secrets, and I want to know कि क्या होने वाला है. सो आई एम गोना रीड दिस बुक टुडे. आई थिंक 2 hours 30 minutes ऐसा कुछ ही बचा है, तो ये मैं आज ख़त्म कर दूँगी. ये वीडियो मैं बाद में एडिट करूँगी. आई वॉज प्लानिंग ऑन एडिटिंग दिस वीडियो टुडे, लाइक जितना अभी तक का है, एंड देन आई वॉज गोना कंटिन्यू रीडिंग इट. बट नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि क्या होने वाला है इस बुक में आगे. And I am excited. I want to know. I don't have any theories because why thriller mysteries में कुछ भी होता है, like you can't really expect, because if you keep on expecting that अगर वो वैसा नहीं हुआ then you are disappointed, और अगर there's a bird, और अगर कुछ हुआ तो भी you are disappointed. Like they are very like insane, because adult mysteries में थोड़ा sensible चीज़ें होता है. YA mysteries में it's like teenage drama, और teenagers के वो thought process immaturity भी होती है वहाँ पे. So I don't know. I'm here for the vibes and the thrill. That's it. I hope कि मैं इसको मेरा last whatever 30-40% का actually vlog करूँ my reactions, because last time the reactions were good but I didn't really vlog it Beautiful Ugly के time पे. But now I want to, but we'll see. अगर वो perfectly मुझे shoot करने के लिए जगह मिली then I'll do it. We'll see. अगर मैं I don't know. We'll see. So I finished No Place Left to Hide and I filmed this particular video twice already. So first time when I was thinking about shooting it in the natural light, तो मैंने विंडो ओपन रखी थी, but I was still recording my audio on my phone. But the horns, I am trying to speak and the horns are going like peh peh peh. Scrap that. Second time I didn't like the video. So I was about to edit this particular vlog. Like I sat down to edit this video and I'm like, नहीं आ रहा है मुझे ये पसंद ये वाला clip. I'm gonna go get ready and do this, and I'm doing this after my work day. So इस dedication के लिए मैं third time ये shoot कर रही हूँ, so that it will be bit better. And please like this video just for that, like for the dedication, ठीक है. So let me tell you about what I think about this book. It was insane and I had the option कि मैं या तो ये दूसरे दिन बैठ के पढ़ लूँ and vlog the whole thing like my reactions, and those were good. Like जब when I was reacting I was like I should have filmed it because those were really good. But ठीक है, या तो वो था या फिर I could have had a proper पीसफुल नाइट कि मुझे पता चलता कि इसमें क्या हो रहा है और या फिर क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली, एंड आई जस्ट रीड इट एंड स्लीप एंड नॉट रियली स्पायरल एंड थिंक कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, एंड यू नो हैव अ स्लीपलेस नाइट. सो आई चोज माई स्लीप एंड मन शांति ओवर फिल्मिंग. ठीक है, बट दिस सी द थिंग इज कि I want to film my reading experience, but what is more important is me reading the books and not just filming it. Like my priority is reading. Like ठीक है यार, थोड़ा सा reactions नहीं हो पाया तो I'll just give you like some rundown and I'll recreate them. It's okay, but I just like reading must be my priority is what I feel. Hobby ही नहीं है तो उसके बारे में मैं film क्या करूँ? Like you know, I should pursue my hobby first and then do other things is what I feel. So anyways, read the book, loved it. I didn't expect it to go that dark, like not dark, but the thing is कि this is my first book by this author, right? So I don't know कि author का style क्या है and how she writes and how she comes up with plot twist, and you know they all have a style, particular style. So this book has given us like some clues here and there, so it all gets tied up together, like all the loose threads get tied up together. And I think that is more important to me कि मुझे थोड़ा तो आइडिया होना चाहिए ना कि बुक में क्या चल रहा है. like out of nowhere कैसे कुछ plot twist आ रहा है. The information or the breadcrumbs were not there if it is an insane unexpected plot twist, right? Like I have to know something, but at the same time it's the author's talent कि वो कैसे उसमें और अलग से plot twist लेके आ रहे हैं so that something or the other surprises me. So that is more important to me. Like कि थोड़ा तो मुझे idea है, but at the same time it's like but I didn't expect that part, you know. So that's what I like and that's how I like my mysteries, and I choose them. Like insane plot twist not my thing. Like कुछ तो idea दो मुझे कि क्या चल रहा है उसमें. This book was like that. I think the book went good. I was scared for the characters because it's a YA teen mystery, right? So ये teenagers है, so I was worried about the girls because so they were on a highway in the middle of nowhere and there was a truck trying to either get some information out of them or like literally crash into them and kill them. Like it was very scary. That's why I was at the edge of my seat all the time because मुझे जानना था कि क्या होगा, like what is happening. And the dual timeline just keeps you at the edge of your seat. Like dual timelines में ऐसा था कि but अभी कुछ बताया, लास्ट सेंटेंस में ऑफ द चैप्टर एंड नाउ आई वांट टू नो, तो मुझे अब पूरा आगे का चैप्टर सो अब मुझे पूरा आगे का चैप्टर पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसके लिए. इट्स लाइक फट 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 से ख़त्म भी हो गया ये बुक. लाइक आई थिंक इट टुक मी 4 to 5 hours टू फिनिश दिस बुक. इट वॉज गुड. आई वुड से 4.5 stars. अगर मैंने इसके बारे में आगे के 2 महीने में सोचा देन इट इज़ अ 5 star बुक्स, अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट. Let's be real. So that's how I rate and change my rating accordingly. So you will have to see the yearly wrap up or something like that to see कि ये top 10 में if it ends up or not. So there's that. Enjoyed it. Perfect thriller. Like if you are like in a reading slump or if you want to pick up something which is very fast paced and interesting and good at the same time, highly recommend this book. And I also finished, wait, I'm trying to like उसको सीधा करने का ट्राई करी हूँ. So I also finished this book. It's, I think you all know, मैंने इसके बारे में इस वीडियो में पहले बोला है, even though for me it's like कि मैं पहली बार बोल रही हूँ because today it's been few days since I finished it. Even though witchcraft is mentioned in the title, it's about the wayward girls mostly because witchcraft is the subplot and the maternity home and what is happening with the girls, if what they go through is what we see in the book. And that's the true horror of this book. Like I was very scared and I was very skeptical to pick up a Grady Hendrix only because I knew that he writes horror and I was not sure कि मुझे horror पढ़ना है because that's the one genre which I can never read. Like I can read non-fiction like memoirs and all those things. Like मैं सोच भी लूँ एक बार उठाने का like memoirs so I read, but non-fiction self-help books, see, I start speaking super fast. Like that is my thing. Like I speak very fast in my mother tongue as well. And then I have to put out 3-4 thoughts at the same time and then I will start speaking डबल फास्ट एंड देन आई स्टार्ट फम्बलिंग बिकॉज मुझे एक सेंटेंस खत्म करने से पहले मुझे दूसरा वाला सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करना होता है. लेट मी टेक अ ब्रेक. आई वांटेड टू से so that's my problem. That's why I keep fumbling and that's why I have to like edit it a lot so that मेरे fumbles ना आए उसमें, because it's very irritating to listen to fumbles even though it's like my brain का problem कि my brain wants to speak everything and tell everything at the same time. Anyways, tangent, I know. So I was saying कि this one does not have any horror in this book, but it's about the horrors these girls go through. Descriptions are very detailed and graphic and it will make you think के बाप रे के क्या हो रहा है करके, and this is what these girls go through and they are literally just girls. Like they are not even 18, they don't know what is happening, they don't have their family with them, they are living with some complete strangers in middle of nowhere and they have to listen to the adults which are living with them and just trust ke they have the best of the girls' interest in mind and they have to trust. Like they don't have any other option, they can't choose anything because they have apparently made a mistake and only the girls have to go through this. Like the boys who are equally included and involved, they don't have to go through all the horrors as well as the shame and the guilt, and you know their lives don't change but the girls' lives change. The story is written so raw that you get to see all these emotions and things and thoughts. All the girls, like the main 4 characters, like the main character and her roommates, they all have different stories. Like all the other girls also have different stories, but these 4 are going through different things. I literally wanted to cry for Holly because she is the sweetest, nicest soul and a child, and what she goes through is just horrific and it's not something like किसी के साथ ना हो types situation. And what we see is the perfect blend of the horrors of the real world and the magical system and witchy things and how witches, all these witches in this book go through things and what is happening and how things go. Like I can't really say anything and I don't know how to put it in words without giving you any spoilers, but I would say that you should read the book. Actually, all the men should read this book and see what the girls go through, like what happens to a woman's body when things don't go, like you know. Again, I don't know how to say all these things, but yes, this is a very difficult topic. To write such a topic as a male author is a very bold and risky thing, but he has done it so well. I don't know if I should rate the book and the storyline because the story is very raw and very real, but I would say the writing is really good and I would like to read this book and this book because I have seen both the books and I want to read them, and I'm like कि अब थोड़ा मुझे आइडिया आ गया, बट आई डोंट नो अगर उनमें हॉरर एलिमेंट है या नहीं, बट आई वॉन्ट टू रीड दोज बिकॉज दिस पर्टिकुलर बुक आई डोंट रिमेंबर द एग्जैक्ट नेम्स आ सबके दोनों के टाइटल के, इसलिए यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव मेंशन देम, बट मुझे नाम नहीं याद एग्जैक्ट. दिस इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट यूट्यूबर्स फेवरेट बुक. So she loves it, Alexandra Roslin. So I want to read this one specifically, but I am not really sure कि अगर horror है तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगी. I don't know because horror is not my genre. I get very scared. So we'll see. I'm looking at something else. I know. I'm sorry if I'm not looking in the lens. So that's it for today's video, and let me know if you are eyeing any of these, if any of these are on your TBR, or you have already read them and what do you think about them. So let me know in the comment section below and we can have a conversation. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.